In today's fast-paced world, the integration of artificial intelligence into our kitchens is revolutionizing the way we prepare meals. Imagine having a virtual sous chef that can suggest recipes based on your pantry items or dietary preferences. AI technology enhances cooking experiences by offering personalized meal plans, optimizing cooking times, and even providing step-by-step guidance. As we embrace technology in our daily lives, it's essential to recognize its relevance in meal preparation. From smart appliances to recipe apps, AI is making cooking more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Join us as we explore the exciting potential of AI in transforming your culinary adventures, making every meal a delightful experience. Let's unlock the future of cooking together. Step 1. Explore AI tools for recipe generation. In the realm of AI cooking tools, apps like Whisk and Yummly are leading the charge. These innovative platforms allow users to input available ingredients and receive tailored recipe suggestions, making meal preparation effortless and efficient. By analyzing your pantry, these apps can recommend dishes that minimize food waste and maximize flavor. The benefits of personalized meal planning through AI are immense. Not only do these tools save time, but they also cater to dietary preferences and restrictions. Whether you're looking for quick weeknight dinners or elaborate weekend feasts, AI-driven recipe generators can help you discover new culinary delights. Embrace these technologies to elevate your cooking experience and enjoy meals that are perfectly suited to your taste and lifestyle. Step 2. Demonstrate AI-assisted meal planning. AI-assisted meal planning takes the stress out of deciding what to eat. By inputting your dietary preferences and restrictions into tools like Whisk or Yummly, you can receive customized meal plans that cater to your needs. This convenience allows you to generate weekly meal plans in just a few clicks, saving you time and effort. For instance, if you're following a vegetarian diet, the AI might suggest a balanced week featuring quinoa stuffed bell peppers, lentil soup, and a vibrant kale salad. If you have gluten sensitivities, it could recommend dishes like grilled chicken with roasted vegetables and a gluten-free pasta primavera. With AI, meal planning becomes not only easier but also healthier, ensuring you enjoy delicious, well-rounded meals tailored just for you. Step 3. Discuss AI's role in ingredient substitution. AI plays a crucial role in ingredient substitution, making cooking more flexible and accessible. When you find yourself missing a key ingredient, AI tools can suggest suitable alternatives based on your recipe and pantry inventory. For example, if you're out of sour cream, AI might recommend using Greek yogurt, which offers a similar texture and tangy flavor. Other common substitutions include using apple sauce in place of oil for baking or swapping out buttermilk with a mixture of milk and vinegar. This flexibility not only helps you avoid last-minute grocery runs but also encourages creativity in the kitchen. With AI assistance, you can confidently experiment with different ingredients, ensuring that every dish remains delicious and tailored to what you have on hand. Step 4. Showcase AI-driven cooking techniques. AI-driven cooking techniques are transforming the way we prepare meals, thanks to smart kitchen devices like Instant Pots and smart ovens. These innovative appliances utilize AI to optimize cooking times and temperatures, ensuring that your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. For instance, an Instant Pot can automatically adjust pressure and cooking duration based on the recipe, while a smart oven can monitor food doneness and adjust heat accordingly. The benefits of precision cooking are significant. It leads to consistent results, reducing the chances of overcooking or undercooking. With AI assistance, you can achieve restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of your home, making cooking not only easier but also more enjoyable. Embrace these technologies to elevate your culinary skills and delight your taste buds. Step 5. Highlight AI's impact on nutrition tracking. AI is significantly enhancing nutrition tracking through apps like MyFitnessPal, which integrate advanced algorithms for nutritional analysis. These tools allow users to log their meals effortlessly, providing insights into calorie counts, macronutrients, and micronutrients. By analyzing your food intake, AI can help you meet specific dietary goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or maintaining a balanced diet. To make the most of these apps, consider tracking your meals consistently and exploring the nutritional content of various foods. Use the barcode scanner feature to quickly log packaged items, and take advantage of personalized recommendations based on your eating habits. With AI support, you can gain a deeper understanding of your nutrition, empowering you to make healthier choices and achieve your wellness objectives. Step 6. Encourage experimentation with AI in cooking. Now is the perfect time to embrace experimentation in your cooking journey with the help of AI. Invite viewers to try new recipes suggested by AI tools, as they can introduce you to exciting flavors and techniques you may not have considered before. Whether it's a unique fusion dish or a classic recipe with a modern twist, the possibilities are endless. We encourage you to share your experiences and results with the community, fostering a supportive environment where everyone can learn and grow together. The joy of discovering new ingredients and cooking methods can reignite your passion for the kitchen. So, dive in, have fun, and let AI inspire your culinary adventures, transforming every meal into a delightful exploration of taste. Conclusion. In summary, the integration of AI in cooking offers numerous benefits that enhance our meal preparation experience. From personalized recipe suggestions and efficient meal planning to smart ingredient substitutions and precision cooking, AI tools make cooking more accessible and enjoyable. By embracing technology, you can explore new flavors, track your nutrition, and elevate your culinary skills with ease. We encourage you to take advantage of these innovative resources to transform your kitchen adventures. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends who might also benefit from AI in their cooking journey. Together, let's continue to explore the exciting world of culinary possibilities that technology has to offer.